About those distant cousins that everybody thinks are kind of weird, but you can't say anything about them because they're your cousins, but at the same time, man, you're like Hollywood and they're New York or something like that. It's like you don't really talk about each other very much, okay? They're called transition metals as far as the periodic table is concerned. I don't know about your personal cousins, but as far as the periodic table is concerned, they're called transition metals. And this is also what you call group B. And you'll notice that all of the groups, all of the families at the very top of the periodic table have names. 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A. But then the entire middle section is blocked off and it says B. Now B means transition. It means that they are different. Now, you say, Mr. Mian, that's not very nice. Why did they put these poor metals in a category by themselves? It makes them feel so ostracized. Well, unfortunately, these metals can never make up their minds. Are they going to have 2 valence electrons or 3 or 4? How are they going to react with another element? These guys are constantly changing. And so we don't call them regular metals, or rather regular elements. You call them transition elements right here. And it's the entire middle of the periodic table. Okay? Now, each of these has a special property. Common metals like iron, copper. In fact, a lot of the common metals that you are familiar with are part of the transition metals. Okay, iron, copper. What else? You have zinc, also very important, right? Everybody knows about zinc. Vanadium. Well, not a lot of people know. Titanium. Titanium is another good example. Right? That song, Bulletproof, Nothing to Lose. Right? Titanium. Okay, very strong alloy. You mix that with a little bit of a steel alloy, and then you're going to get some very strong metal. Chromium, right? Chromium. What is chrome useful for? Anybody know?
What is it? Chromium?
Chromium. What does chromium sound for, or chrome?
Your brain.
Your brain, that's a good guess. I wish I had a chrome vein. No, chromium stands for like chrome rims, no? It's very shiny. It's a shiny metal. Whenever you want to make anything shiny, adding chromium is a good idea.